Hello, hello. So this is the second try of this Python code, more or less. So yeah, the list function that I tried to do yesterday, like to input a name and then put it into a list. I kind of forgot how to do it, but yeah. So this list, why? This is a list. How do we put shit in there? All right, got no clue. So obviously we have to use the input method and this variable input student, but I just wait maybe no wait, bro, my mouse is double clicking. I need to remove it and replace it. Or maybe the other way around. This is student list. Put student. Um, uh, so student equals this. If I'm reading it correctly. Yeah, lol. Okay. What if I just remove that pen function? Huh? Am I doing it wrong or something? Blood by the bomboclad. Oh, there we go. Maybe like this. Oh, well, I guess my Wi-Fi is... Yeah, anyways. Oh, yeah, something happened to my... There's like a big storm today. What's her name? The storm Amy or something? Yeah. Of course, really cares that much about her. Don't care. Nah, you can't say. I'll disconnect. Uh, there we go. Maybe this will work. Bro, why is it not printing it? Oh wait, I'm stupid. No, elif choice equals 2. Yeah, there we go. Nice. And this is a problem. It doesn't go back. Ah, now it does. Maybe instead of sleep, we have to like press something to continue. Yeah, I think that would be good. So what do we do? Choice if uh, press C to continue. Right. Elif. Wait, that that won't work. Choice equals E, no C. Yeah. elif, no, else, 9, else print you cannot enter that, or no, wrong input, something like that. Wait, what? Why is it wrong? Did I make, what is my mistake here? What the hell? No. Okay, how do I do this else? Bro. Oh, bruh. I haven't made a what it's supposed to do. Right, press C to continue. It will continue. So we can remove this. So synonym lol. Oh, it worked. Nice. Upper. I think that's here. So what if I do a V? Oh well, shit. It doesn't work. Oh shit. Bad name, I guess. If C C equals CC. But why does it not allow me? Look, if I press A. Gibita print. No, that's something else. Else print the student was yeah, but it doesn't print the wrong input. Break maybe. Ah. Oh wait, it does it. It breaks the program. It crashes. Is that what we want? Or continue? But continue will what? What will it do? Yeah, we don't want continue. I don't know what we want. I want it to go back to this one, but how do I make it like so? Like so it enters. Like try maybe? Try. No, that won't do shit. I still have to make it. It doesn't make matter. You have entered wrong input. But wait, let me try again. Lol. Does it matter which C? Yes, it does not matter. Nice. Okay, I have done this right. Maybe some a little bit, readability, like my teacher said. I have to do this whole program again because it's not easy readable. Or readable, not readable. Can't this manual list be inside this? I think it's better. Or and the width also, like in here. Yeah. Uh, where is it? And you have successfully added. Is it in here? The capitalization. It just says you have to append. How did I do this here? I did it in a dictionary. Why a dictionary? Yes, because if you've not thought this go in dictionary. There's another way to do it. I want to try that instead of this one because I don't think this is a good method. Mhm. Mhm. Just a little bit of formula. So we do student list append append input student. Will that work? Let's see. Add mom, well, Bob. Built-in method capitalized for. I actually don't know the function, so let's check it out. Python. Okay. Built-in method capitalized of object. Well, obviously it's an error, and we kinda know where, but isn't that how it's supposed to be, though? Hmm. Just maybe this is a better way to do it, or not. Why does this not work? Or Bob. What? Bob. Yeah, okay, nice. Okay. Okay, ChatGPT. Actually, we have him here. How can I add on the input student? Go on. To add capitalized student, you should update the line where you assign the input. Bro, every single time I forget about this. I always forget about this. I don't get it. Bob, yes, great. Okay, C to continue. Wait. A list. Ah, scheißen. Okay, we haven't done the list, I guess. Oh, it's so weird. Why is it not printing the list though? Print student list. Should it not just print? Bro, okay. Ah, okay, wait. Where is this? Okay, nice. There we go. Yep. Well, it prints out Bob now. Oh, yeah, it does. But when I do it, it doesn't print out Bob. So it's something wrong with the thingy. Nope, the wrong thing. I actually have it copy pasted. I see now. Okay. If choice is one, input this, or not input, but yeah, create this. Okay. Or if choice two, print the student registry, and actually for student in student list, no, student list, uh, for print student or students maybe. Yeah, that's more readable. Let's try that. I obviously see something out. Maybe it's the time sleep 5 seconds. That's the that was the problem, and it doesn't capitalize the B actually. So does this work? No, this does not work. Okay. I don't know how to make it. Maybe here. No. Ah. Okay, good. Let Bob. Yeah, okay, good. Nice. Wait, what? Oh my god. No, right, that the problem has not been fixed. Okay, we do this, so we fix this, please. So we don't forget. Alright, so this part, that it always does it, it's kinda annoying. You should at least, I don't know, maybe like, I mean, you need to have time to read it, right? So maybe we should just do another, we could just do a function with this, I think. Def con confirmation C. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. Confirmation C, confirmation to continue. I don't care, bro, what my teacher says about this. It doesn't matter. Is it? Oh wait, no, that's not it. If C could, yeah, no. It does not matter what my teacher says. You know, he can say anything. Oh my god, I just don't know how to name it. I find it very hard to name stuff actually. Bro, what's happening? Okay. And continue because it's not a loop, but or what? Why is it? Continue can be only used within a loop. What the hell is if then? I don't get it. Okay. Well, we could actually remove it. Could we? No. Well, I don't know. Should I ask him? What can I ask him? What can I use instead of continue for the You cannot use continue directly inside a function unless it's within a loop. Instead, you should return. Is it better? Return. It is what my teacher does. Let's try it. Wow, that's nice. That's very nice. Extremely nice. Okay, so uh okay. Okay. Beta. So what does this not work? This does not work. Okay. So why doesn't the code work? Why doesn't the function work? The function confirmation is not being called. It is though. Oh, fuck. If I make this mistake one more time, I'm about to jump off a bridge. You have entered the wrong input. Huh? No, it's the right input. Okie dokie. One Bob C, a small C. You have entered the wrong input. I thought I fixed that by doing the upper method. Or am I doing it in the wrong place? Oh, guess why? Bro! Bro! Yeah, okay, good. It's not doing anything though. Oh, it did. Oh, okay. That did piss me off though, I ain't gonna lie. Confirmation to continue, print student. So how about this? Justin. Proceed to continue. Small c. Perfection. Now we list. Only Bob. Where's Justin? Where's Justin? What the hell, Justin? Append. Well, okay. Where? Bro, okay. Please. Okay. This is a list, right? List, yeah, it is a list. So, append object, define append object, end of the list. Yeah, exactly. That's what we want to do. And we want to append this, the new input. Or maybe it has to be input. Wait. Student? Or maybe I'm just like doing some dumb shit right now. One Bob. Hmm. What, bro, what? Add student. I mean, it did. So yeah, it's just a basic waste of time. I did this. I don't know what the thought process was, if I'm being honest. I thought maybe you had to do it. But it's not printing. Mm, capitalization. Okay. Name. Age. I also have to do that if I'm not incorrect. So name. Student name. Student age. No, I don't think that's good. Just do this. What is student's age? Yeah, right, I've changed it. Well, this doesn't work here, so I don't know why I have this. Yeah, you don't really need. Oh, yeah, we can just. But if someone enters like lol, how can we do it? There's like a function. I think you could do int, but if the type are wrong, if the type of letter still, there's gonna be a problem. So if I don't know, if int or something, or I don't know. How can I make the error? Catch? Ah, I'm too lazy. This is good. I did think about it, just you know, but I'm not gonna say that. So try age, enter student age, and break. Well, not break. No, wait, no. Yeah. Then it goes here. Accept valid. Please enter valid. Please enter. And I think we should do. Can you have two? Yeah, I think so. Age. Well, how was it? If it's equals more than like 100. Oh no, maybe yeah, 100. Yeah, 100 years old. Uh, no, you're not supposed to break it then. Try. So if the user is trying to input an integer, enter student's age. Student's age. Does it mean like this? Student's age. Yeah, student's age. If you try to put it integer, except okay, so this doesn't fit. But then we put if student's age is more 100. Print. You cannot be that old, buddy. Else. You don't need anything. You just need to break or return. No, you maybe break. Let's see. Head student, lol, age 21, or 100, well, just 21. Let's try 21. Okay. Continue. Brother, okay. How can I make it so it doesn't, wait, maybe I have it here. I have it here somewhere. Well, I use the break function here. It says target is no longer with us, and then break, and it works. Actually, I don't think this code works. Wait, let me check. How does this code run? Bob 21. Oh yeah, it just goes back to the menu. Oh, okay, it doesn't work. How can I make it so it doesn't loop all the way back to the start? Instead, I want to go back to the nested. To avoid looping all the way back, main menu, and instead re-prompt only for specific input. When it enters invalid data, use a loop only around the input. Really? So if choice is 1, mm-hmm. So he wants me to do what really? I don't understand. Input student. So while true, did it break it then? Oh, just break. What? What? How does this make sense? You can't have 2 breaks. What is this? Let's try. Let's see. Oh, okay, okay. We're good now. But now we have to check if 100 years will. Enter student's age. Okay, that's actually perfect. Nice. I think we're getting somewhere, guys. I think we're actually getting somewhere. So wait, print if successfully added. This is all one function. I don't know. I maybe have to redo it to functions. I don't know. We'll see about it. We will see about it. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, alright. Anyways, this part now, we do this. So this... Okay, what happened there? Print name... Did I call it age? What did I call it? Student age. Ah, wait. Let me just copy this append method. Student age. Student... Wait, what? Student name. Wait. How would that work? Okay. Bro! Student append. Maybe student listing students. The listing students what? Student, right? Student name, student name. I don't know what I'm trying to do now, but age, age. I'm just kind of furious at this moment. Student, student age. And then maybe do this. So maybe we should do a dictionary. I don't know. At this point, I just hope it works. For some reason it doesn't. For some reason it doesn't. Okay. 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 I got no clue. What's this? What is that? Immutable. Bro, what did you do? I don't get it. Oh, bro, code, bro. He's nice. We do it with him.
Well, hello everybody. Today I will be explaining a few different types of collections in Python. There's 4 general purpose collections. 3 of them are lists, sets, and tuples. There are also dictionaries, but I'll save that for the next topic. And then I can store multiple values so that it's more obvious that this is a collection of values. Technically, in the English language, fruit would still be plural. English is a weird language. We now have a list of fruit named fruits. If I were to print my list, this is index 0. That would print range. Each value in a collection is also known as an element. If we attempt to x colon 3 strings. Another cool thing you can do too with collections is that you can iterate over them with the for loop. For x, our list: apple, orange, banana, coconut. Now, x isn't really too descriptive. What you'll see some people convention, whatever, the dir function. Within this function, add your collection, fruits. But we would need to print this. Let's surround this function with a print statement. These are all in alphabetical order. We have attributes, which I have not explained yet, but I will in a future topic. But if we scroll to the end, we have a bunch of different methods that this list can perform. Append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, and sort. If you would like a description of each of these methods, there is a help function. Help, add your collection to the parentheses, then we would need to print this. Here's a description of all the methods and attributes. For example, we have our sort method. And here's other stuff. Help function. To print a description of the collection length, if I operator, add an extra element, like this. Then let's print it. Return the length of my list fruits. Then let's print it. There's 4 elements within my list. The length function returns 4. If I were to add an extra element, like a pineapple, using our value apple, this operator apple pineapple list, and that applies for your other collections too. With lists, they're ordered and changeable for list. I will set this equal to be. Then let's iterate over our fruit using a for loop. Okay, the first element is no longer an apple, it's a pineapple, then orange, banana, coconut.
Wait, so no, wait, that's not it. Oh my god! But Bob disappeared. Yeah, and the H doesn't show. But progress.
Using an index, you can reassign one of the values. If I were to change 0 to 1, well, now we have an apple, pineapple, banana, coconut. Let's cover some of the methods that are found within a list. We can append an element.
That's it. That's one of them.
Type the name of the list, dot, append. What would we like to append to the end of this?
Okay. What we would like to append. Can we append this in here? Does this work? Add lol 21. Okay, it does not. I think this is the problem. Wait, can't you just do this maybe? Lol 21. See. Wait, why do I have two of these? Lol 21. Bro, just kill me.
List. Let's append a pineapple. I'm going to get rid of this for loop. I'm just going to display my list. There, we have an apple, an orange, banana.
Well, that's what I'm doing. Bro. Will this work? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, annoying. Communism. Yeah, sure. Input. It doesn't say. Bro, what? What did I type? Put. Here we go. Input. Lol. 21. No, right. How am I supposed to list it? Uh, print student list. Lol 21. Bro, what? What do you mean? Oh wait, of course, yeah. I forgot. No, I did not forget. Oh, no, I did forget. Bro, what? Did I remove it or something? Okay, I think I removed it. Student page. Oh, there it is. Bro, why does this work? I don't understand. Must it be here? Mhm. What was this function? I don't remember.
Coconut, pineapple. To add an element to the end of a list, use the append method. To remove an element, you can use the
Anyways, it's been great. We'll come tomorrow. We'll see what's up. Yeah, I'll kind of give up right now. I don't know why it doesn't work.